In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use frames in Miro. Frames in Miro are incredibly versatile and offer a structured way to organize and present your ideas on the canvas efficiently. They help in sectioning your board into visually digestible parts, making collaboration and navigation much smoother for everyone involved. So, let's dive in and see how you can make the best use of this feature. To add a frame in Miro, start by accessing the left toolbar on your screen. Here, you'll find the frame icon. If you prefer keyboard shortcuts, simply press the F key, and then click on any area of the canvas to insert a new frame. This quick action places a default-sized frame for you to work with, but there's another way to customize the size right from the start. Instead of just clicking, click and drag across the canvas. This allows you to draw a frame that fits your desired dimensions, providing flexibility based on your specific needs. If you're looking to enclose existing content within a frame, that's easy too. Select the items you want to include and then right-click to bring up the context menu. From there, choose the Create Frame option, and Miro will generate a frame exactly around your selected content. It's a handy way to contain parts of your project that are already laid out. Now that you've got your frames in place, let's talk about customization and navigation. Renaming your frames is simple and helps keep your board organized. Just double-click on the frame's title and type in the new name, or use the context menu by right-clicking on the frame and selecting Rename. This makes it easy to identify sections at a glance, especially as your board becomes more populated. To reposition or adjust the size of a frame, click on its borders or use the corner handles to drag and scale it. Miro provides these intuitive tools to help you quickly make adjustments to fit your content and layout. You can also alter the appearance by changing the frame's color or aspect ratio, which can be done through the same context menu. This visual customization can help differentiate multiple frames on a larger board, making each section distinct. Additionally, grouping frames can streamline your workflow significantly. If you want to apply bulk actions or maintain a consistent layout, select several frames by holding down the Shift key and clicking on each frame you want to include. Once selected, use the context menu and choose the Group option. Grouping is especially useful for organizing related frames or moving them collectively across the canvas. That's all for today's guide on using frames in Miro. Frames not only add clarity and structure to your projects, but enhance collaboration by organizing ideas thoughtfully. Experiment with these tools, and you'll find them integral to a productive Miro experience. Thanks for watching, and happy framing.